Hi everyone, it's Jay from Sweet Softies here, and I'm excited to share with you my quick and easy tutorial for attaching plastic safety eyes to your Amigurumi doll. Now here I have a little bear, and I'll actually have her free pattern on my website. So if you're interested, check out the link in the description box below, and I'll be demonstrating how to put on eyes in a doll that has the same exact head size and as the bear. And to do so, you will need, of course, some plastic safety eyes. This is a nice set that you can get. There are lots of different sets to choose from, and if you're making a variety of dolls, I recommend getting a variety of sizes. And they usually come from, a lot of popular sets come from 6 millimeters, tiny little eyes, all the way till 20 millimeters or even larger. So you can have a lot of fun with that. And plastic safety eyes come not only in black, as you see here, and on my doll over here. There are also other colors to choose from too. So if you'd like something really neat and unique and fancy, you can get something with something colorful or different. So lots of choices online, and I will put a product link in the description box below too for you to check out. Now, to get started with the demonstration doll here, I have two 7 millimeter, these are 8 millimeter. I have two 8 millimeter plastic safety eyes, and also a couple washers that will go on the backs. When you purchase your eyes, you'll notice that it'll come with the washer backs as well, and that's for you to secure them in your Amigurumi so that they won't pop out, fall out, etc. So for this particular doll, I placed my eyes, or the doll's eyes, between rounds 9 and 10 and 7 stitches apart. So I'm going to count down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here's 10. So it's going to be somewhere between these two rounds, and it's going to be 7 stitches apart. So I haven't fully closed up my doll's head, as you can see. I'd like the sort of this tail area. This is the start of my round. I'd like that to be on the back of the doll's head, because I don't want that in the front looking kind of gnarly. So what I'm going to do is try and put the eyes to the front of the face as much as possible. So I'm going to kind of scout out here, and I feel that this area looks pretty smooth for a face to take form. So what I'm going to do is put in one eye first, and let me grab a hook here. What has been helpful for me is to actually use my hook to make the hole between the stitches a little bigger to fit the eyes through. So for example, if I pick this location right here, so I'm stretching out that area just a tad and sticking the eye right in there. Oops. My stitches, you'll notice that if you're doing Amigurumi, your stitches are probably going to be pretty tight, so you might have to wiggle the eyes in a little bit. So there, I have it stuck in. As you can see, there's the inside of the eye, and here's the outer part. Now I'm going to count over 7 stitches to put my other eye. Now I had here, it's right there, so I'm going to count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this is where I'm going to put in my next eye according to my pattern. And if you want to follow exactly what I do, you're welcome to, but of course, if you want your eyes closer or farther apart, feel free to. There we go. So I kind of like stuck that in, and I like to make sure I'm pushing all the way so that the yarn doesn't so the eye, as you can see, it's flat on the bottom. It's flush against the head of the doll. All right, so there you have it. The eyes are in place, and at this point you can kind of check positioning to see if you'd like to keep them this way, or if you want to move them closer or change them in any way. Now, I like how they are looking, so I am going to finish it up by adding the backs onto the eyes. Here is where you're going to kind of turn it inside out so you have access to the back. You're going to take a washer. You're going to put the pointy end of the washer against the back of the eye and push it in all the way. As you can see, there are little divots there. You want to push past all those divots, and it's going to require some strength. So pushing it all the way like so, and there your eye will be secure. Now, if you want to make your eye even more secure, I recommend adding a dab of glue, hot glue or really, really steadfast glue, and then pushing the little backs in. That way you can make sure that it's as secure as you can get it to be. Do note that plastic safety eyes are a choking hazard for young children and babies, so you will not want to use these on any products that are going to be given to little ones, because they might chew it off and end up swallowing it, and that is a disaster. So there we go, and I'm just going to straighten out the head a little bit. As you can see, the backs are in, and your amigurumi is good to go. So you can keep on crocheting, and as you finish up, you'll notice that the hole on the bottom will get smaller and smaller, making it harder to put in the eyes. So try and put the eyes in while you still have enough space to do so. All right, thank you so much for watching, and hope you have a fun time crafting. Bye now.